Very nice to be here, like Blue Elephant, and we purchased a CNC machine from them 2 years ago, and we're from United States and Texas. Actually, we are using that machine for 2 years, and we had a very good experience with it. They have a very professional sales team and customer service. And because we are newbie on like CNC machine field, and I just talked to Mary online, and then she tried to explain everything to me, introduce me the machine, and she tried to find what machine can fit my needs. And actually, she's way more professional than I think. She introduced all kinds of different functions to me, and eventually I purchased one from her. And then I received the machine, and the team follow up. They tell me what I can do to assemble all the machine together, and what's the function, and how do I use the machine. And even they give me very good software, and I can design all the board I need and cutting them. So it's a pretty good experience purchasing machine from Blue Elephant. We are very happy. That's why we come all the way from state to China. We want to check in that edge bending machine. Definitely we will be their customer again.
We'll be back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.